I'm John Clarkson with Clarkson Allstate. We're a family-owned insurance agency here in the Riverview area. We can help you protect for today and prepare for tomorrow. Our specialty is education. We want to educate our customers to take out the right protection and the right products at the right price. We want to get to know our customers, we want to get to know their needs, and not just shop price and sacrifice coverage. Well, the team is Noemi. She speaks Spanish, and she's been with the agency in Allstate for over 6 years. When I started the agency, my wife Peggy worked for another company at the time, and a lot of people kept asking her if she was going to join us. Are you going to join, your husband and his agency? Well, she joined the agency about 3 years ago. She brings an added just excellence to the office. She's a go-getter, perfectionist, and making sure that our customer service is tops. Then I have Kim Levesque. Kim is life licensed as well as auto and home. She's a customer service representative and a life specialist. She focuses primarily on homeowners. And Jason is wonderful. He specializes in auto, motorcycles, and all motorsports. He's an expert in that area. And then Russ Diamond is our certified financial planner on staff, and Russ is an extension of me. My background as a financial advisor is what separates us from the others. Good hands, it means a lot. We're going to take more than 15 minutes, to make sure that we're providing you the coverages at the time you need them.